everyone, welcome back to my channel Scots and Style. So today's haul is a home decor and furniture haul from Amazon. So this Diwali I did a little bit of shopping for my home and let me show you what all things I got.
So my first purchase is this beautiful shoe rack. It's a cabinet shoe rack. Isn't it beautiful? And I think it's too pretty to keep shoes in it or place it outside my main door in the lobby. So as of now it is kept in my study room. मैंने इसे परचेज तो ये सोच के किया था कि इसमें शूज़ रखने हैं, बट नाउ आई एम गिविंग इट अ सेकेंड थॉट. एंड इसमें आराम से आपके 12 to 16 पेयर्स आ जाएंगे. दिस हैज़ 4 शेल्व्स एंड इट्स इन वॉलनट ब्राउन एंड वाइट कलर. मैं आपको इसका लिंक नीचे दे दूँगी. एंड इट्स मेड ऑफ इंजीनियर्ड वुड, इट्स नॉट मेड ऑफ प्योर वुड. So that's the only problem with this cabinet because engineered woods don't last for too long. Anyways, I like the quality of this one, I like the look of it, and this costed me 4,990.
Now the next purchase which I did is this wooden table.
Now this is a study table and it's made from shisham wood and it's in honey finish. It can be used as a writing desk, as a computer table for your home or for your office. Now this table is very sturdy and it has a modern design, as you can see. It also comes with the storage drawer, and the best thing is because it's natural wood, it is sturdy and it's like a lifetime investment. So yeah, I really love this one. And ये आराम से आप खुद assemble कर सकते हो as per the instructions which are provided with the furniture. And the cost of this one is 8,199. And here I have this office chair, which is the only product in this entire haul that is not from Amazon. So we got it from this website called transteel.com. So this chair has a mesh back and it's white and it's very lightweight, and this was available for 6,483, and it has an adjustable seat and a comfortable armrest as well, and it has a very good back support, and it also comes with a 2-year warranty. I'll mention the link in the description. So next are these sheer curtains. So initially when I got them, I just ordered one pair, but later I liked it so much that I ordered 3 more pairs. Now these are really affordable, though I am not 100% happy with the quality of this one, but I think there's nothing better than these one in this price range. So I got a set of 2 for rupees 649. So this one does not block the sunlight. They look really beautiful and give that expensive kind of look to your house.
Now the next one is this lamp in my background, which everybody has asked me about. So this is also from Amazon and I'm gonna share the link below. And this is really affordable. A lot of people think that this is a very expensive lamp, but it's not. It's just around 1500. I'm gonna mention the link below. So let me show you how it looks properly.
Now this lamp has an off-white shade and a wooden tripod. It comes with a 2-meter long wire. Now in the description it was mentioned that it has a bed switch, but it does not have that. It's just a wire with a plug, and it gives a very elegant and warm vintage look to the house. And the price of this one was rupees 1,345 only.
So the next piece is very close to my heart because I'm a big fan of French craft, Turkish craft, and all sorts of craft items and prints, fabrics which are in African prints or French prints. So this is a Turkish print cushion cover which I got, and there are a lot of reasons why I love it so much. Let me give you a closer look of this first.
So these cushion covers are in the size 24 by 24 inch, and they came in a set of 5 for rupees 1014, and now it's available on Amazon for 1016. So isme they have different sizes also, like 12 by 12 inch and 16 by 16 inch also, and they are made of satin material and have a zipper on the side. And starting May, I didn't like the print quality much because it's not a very finely printed material, and the colors are a bit brighter than how it appeared on the website. So जब मैंने इसको सोफे पे लगाया, it was really looking nice and it gave a really nice look to the entire sofa. So the next are these sofa throws by Saral Home. This one is in the color ivory. So पहले हमने सिर्फ एक ही लिया था for the 3-seater sofa and we wanted to check the quality, but later we got the whole 3+1+1 ka set, and it has this nice polygon pattern and it's made of 100% soft cotton. The price for 1-seater for the 2 pieces was 1099 and the long one for the 3-seater is 1044. So it's completely washable because it's made of cotton material and it protects your sofa covers really well. So if your sofas are made of leather or velvet, it really protects the sofa because it's very thick and the material is really nice, but the only problem is it shreds a little bit of the threads, but other than that I really like this one. Next are these sequin cushion covers. Now this is in the size 16 by 16 and it's blue and gold in color. Now these are made of reversible sequin material. I use them in my car, in the study room and in the bedroom, almost anywhere as a backrest, and I think they just pop up the whole room, and if you have any dull colors in your room, it gives a lot of energy and style to your entire room. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज़ दिस कॉफ़ी टेबल. नाउ इस टेबल की खास बात यह है कि इसमें दोनों तरफ ड्रॉवर्स है एंड दीज आर हिडन ड्रॉवर्स, तो इसमें आप कुछ भी स्टोर करके रख सकते हो. तो इसका एक ड्रॉवर इस तरफ है और दूसरा ड्रॉवर जो है वो पीछे की तरफ है. इट ओपन्स लाइक दिस. तो इसमें आप अपना काफ़ी सारा सामान स्टोर करके छुपा के रख सकते हो. एंड दिस टेबल इज़ मेड ऑफ शीशम वुड, तो ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग और स्टर्डी टेबल है and it gives a very nice and classic look to your living room, and it's very heavy, and the price of this one was around 8,688, but now it's available for 8,799.
The last piece is again a piece of art, and that is this jute mat. So I love jute, and this is made of jute. It's closely knitted jute mat, and my cats do love this because they love scratching this as a scratch pad. And guys, उन्होंने इसको इतना scratch किया है फिर भी ये फटा नहीं है, इसकी knitting ख़राब नहीं हुई है. तो I can definitely assure the quality of this mat. 5 इंच डायमीटर का लिया है एंड 6 इंच डायमीटर का भी अवेलेबल था, बट वी थॉट ऑफ गोइंग विद द 5 इंच वन, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ परफेक्ट फॉर अ बिगर हॉल लाइक आर्स. सो इट लुक्स रियली नाइस. एंड आप चाहो तो बड़ा वाला भी ले सकते हो, इसमें स्क्वायर शेप में भी अवेलेबल है, आप चाहो तो वो भी ले सकते हो. And I think this looks really beautiful for a living room, for a bedroom. So I'm gonna get one more in square shape for my study room.
I'll give you the purchase link in the description box below.
And guys, we also got this dining table cloth. तो इस पर मैंने 2 क्लॉथ लगाए हैं. One is this transparent one which is for a 6-seater table. तो मैंने ये वाला एक मंगवाया, एंड इससे पहले मैंने ये वाला मंगवाया था विच इज़ काइंड ऑफ अ मैश मटीरियल, नेट मटीरियल, बट द प्रॉब्लम विद दिस वन इज़ इस पर स्टेन काफ़ी जल्दी लग जाता है, एंड आई डिडंट वांटेड टू पुट द ट्रांसपेरेंट वन डायरेक्टली ऑन द टेबल. तो मैंने उसके ऊपर एक ये नेट वाला डलवाया है, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट आई पुट दिस वन, एंड आई थिंक इट लुक्स रियली नाइस क्योंकि इसमें आपको प्रिंटेड डिज़ाइन भी दिख जाता है, एंड देन you have a top coating to protect your tablecloth from any kind of stain. तो I think it looks really nice. and अगर आपके घर पे गेस्ट आते हैं तो आप इसको कभी भी निकाल सकते हो, and you can just put these kind of mats directly on it. But if there's no one coming and you're using it regularly, so I think it's best to use it this way itself. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like it, do like and subscribe to my channel, and see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.